Hello. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use LiveTouch to add steps to an existing Certify process. I've got my order to delivery process. I'll open it. So I can see I have steps here. I start beginning the entering of a sales order, and I take it through hitting the enter key here. So I'm going to just run this test to see what it looks like. I can quickly just execute these steps. My steps ran successfully. I'll come back to my SAP GUI. And I can see the delivery plant isn't entered. So if I want to add the delivery plant, say I want 1710 to show up in my test case, all I have to do is come into my Certify process, and right before I hit enter, I'm going to do a right click, insert steps below with LiveTouch. LiveTouch will open. If I highlight a field and click, what it's doing is it's identified that step. I can save and close. And what it did is it detected that it entered 1710 in the field, and now I'm adding the delivery plant to my test case. If I click Save, I now have a certified process. What I'll do is I'll click Run. So I'll start back in the beginning of my screens, and I will run from here. I'll say Start. Now when you run with Certify, you've got some different options. You can either execute the steps one at a time, or I can actually just run them all at once. In this case, I'll just run them all at once. We'll see it starts navigating through the screens, and it enters my shipping point, my materials. It grabs the order number from the previous screen and applies it to this screen. And I've now created my outbound delivery. So I've successfully edited an existing test. Now the nice thing is, if we look at this order, I can see that I had 25 steps. It actually took 9 seconds to run. So what you'll find is, in many cases, when you're running your certified processes, they run much faster than when a human is typing. So you do save time when you're running. So this was an example of how to take an existing process, use LiveTouch to add an extra field to it without writing code. Thank you very much.